Hey Non-Techies, this is Jess from Non-Techie HQ. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to add cookie consent to Square. First, log into your Square dashboard. In your Square dashboard, we will go to Sales Channels. Then we will click Online. Once in the online settings, we will click Website. Under Website, we will go to Site Preferences. In your Site Preferences, you will go to Cookie Consent, and we will click Set Up Cookie Consent. From here, you'll be able to select a banner type for your site. They have a recommended here. You can add a custom banner or a premium banner or no cookie consent. As your option, you'll click Save. And that will add your cookie consent to your Square store. It may take up to 24 hours to appear in your store, but it will be managed here.